Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. Friends, today video was so much fun because we have a dinosaur today along with a Hulk, and that is so awesome. When I have dinosaur, I feel so much excited. But we have two big guns as well, so this video is quite interesting. So boy, till end please. So let's begin the fun times. Let's collect all the thing in a basket, then we will move to washing area. So what we are collecting? Just a big gun. These are the big heavy construction machines. Wow, 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 that is cool. That's a tuk-tuk, a tricycle rickshaw. Wow, that's an amazing thing. And this one is Triceratops. So much fun thing. That's a hand grenade. Whoa, boom. And that's a sports car. Wow, love it. Wanna ride? And this one is Hulk. I am the power machine. And this one, oh my god, that is awesome and amazing machine. So we collected all the things. Let's rock and roll. Let's yalla guys. So water is here and good. Thank you. So let's start our first machine down. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Let's wash him. And the water color is completely changed, and result our gun is gonna be clean. And here it is. Our machine gun is clean. AK-47 machine gun, mind blowing, awesome. Bang bang. Just aim it, you just fire it, and your target destroyed.
Whoa! Whoa.
And the next one we have is Hulk. Let's yalla guys. Let's wash him. That is so much fun. Here we go. Then the Hulk is clean. The power machine. The most powerful guy in Avengers. Hulk. And the next one we have dinosaur Triceratops. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. Our T-Rex is gonna be clean, and it is. Here we go. Just look at him. Here we go. That's the button we press. He closes his mouth, then he opens. So this is our T-Rex, the most fun thing. Wow. Amazing guys, yalla guys. Here we go.
So an Alamosaur's tough skin is not a problem.
Let's check out the next one. The next one we have is a dump truck. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. Dump truck is so heavy and big construction machine, and we are gonna clean it. And here we go. The dump truck is clean. Wow guys, amazing. Super guys, super. That is a very cool construction machine dump truck. And the next one we have is a sports car, my favorite. Let's yalla guys. Let's wash him. Let's clean him. The car should be clean, and here we go. Our white sports car is clean. What do you think? What is this? That's a Lamborghini, boss. Who's the next one? And the next one we have is a hand grenade. Let's yalla guys. Let's wash him. Let's clean him, and we done it. We did it. The hand grenade is clean. Here we go. And the next one we have is a front loader. That is also a big construction machine. Let's yalla guys. Let's wash him. Let's clean him. Let's fix him. And here we go. We just did it. We clean. Oh wow. That is an amazing construction machine. The big one. The mighty big one. Here we go. And the next one we have is again a big construction machine, guy. That's a road roller, and that is really awesome and a big machine. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys, and here we go. So we have a road roller, and the road roller is being clean. Wow, that's a big mighty machine. And the next one we have a tuk-tuk. What is a tuk-tuk? Let me watch. Then I will tell you. Just wait for a few seconds. And here we go. That's a tricycle rickshaw. So we call him a tuk-tuk in some regions, and in our region we call him a tricycle rickshaw. It has the 3 tires, and this is an awesome auto. Wow.
अरे तू ड्राइवर है कि स्क्रू ड्राइवर है बेवकूफ इतना गाड़ी घुमाने का क्या जरूरत है उधर
And the next one we have is the big machine gun. Here we go. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. The machine should be clean, and that's a big mighty commando gun. And here we go. Wow. That is a machine gun. Wow guys, that is cool. So this is it, guys. We have finished the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.